Young Scientist and Technologist of the Year 2026. And the winner is Evie Daly from Mercy Secondary School Mounthawk.
You must be absolutely delighted.
Yeah, no, I'm kind of in shock, to be honest with you.
How long were you working on the project for?
It's a continuation from last year's project, so yeah.
And you won your category last year.
I did, yeah.
Amazing. And what was the inspiration for it?
So a few years ago I did a course in DCU, so it was called TTYI. So I spent 3 weeks studying medicine. And so I was in first year at the time, so I was probably a bit naive, to be honest with you. And so we started learning about brain tumours, and specifically glioblastoma, which is a subtype of adult diffuse gliomas. And it kind of shook me. It was 2023, and I was like, lads, why is the survival rate only 5.1%, the 5-year survival rate? And so yeah, I know how to code, so I was wondering, could I combine these two and help somehow? So that's kind of what led to the development of my project.
And you must be so excited to be able to compete in the European Union competition.
Yeah, I haven't even thought much about that yet.
Could you just tell us about your project, just briefly?
Yeah, so my project focused on adult diffuse gliomas. They're a really aggressive type of brain cancer with really poor outcomes. So one of the biggest problems with treating them is you have to determine the genetics in the WHO grade before you can determine optimal treatment. But this requires an invasive biopsy that takes weeks to come back. So my solution was Glioscope. It enables day zero decision making by predicting the WHO grade, patient survival and genetics directly from preoperative MRI scans, and then it determines the tumour subtype using an established rule-based criteria.
Yeah, we're delighted.
And has there always promoted science in the home?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'm a pharmacist, her dad's an engineer, so it's science background all the way. So yeah, we're delighted.
And you must be getting so many calls now.
Yeah, the phone is pinging here beside me. Everyone's delighted, everyone's excited, and the school is brilliant for the school and all the hard work from the teachers, because they put in an amount of work and effort. So delighted.
And from the school's perspective, you must be so happy.
Oh, we're so thrilled. The award's been building because we've had school awards, overall school awards. Last year we got a Teacher of Excellence award, and to finally hit this big award this year is just a pinnacle for us. It's been coming for a while. Evine has been coming for a while, right since first year, when she was in first year asking her teacher could she have some university level physics questions to practice on at home. The talent was always there, getting the right project behind it, and she's really passionate about it and knowledgeable about it, and the way she was able to develop it on this year to a whole other level was amazing. So we're just thrilled as a school. We've an extraordinary bunch of teachers who are so dedicated. They put such hard work and are so committed. You can see the emotional reaction that they have over there. It means so much to them. So that you can't really do without that passion behind it, that drive and that commitment. So we're really, really thrilled, aren't we?